Right.
Scalpel.
Yeah, that little delicate guy.
Flashlight.
Got it.
I don't want to break that.
There we go. Come on, boys. There we go.
Oh, wait, hang on a second.
Guys, throttle
Let's
linkage.
get all these tools out of here because shit's gonna fall.
There's a socket right here.
Yeah, get the tools off. That's exactly why we move our tools.
Throttle linkage right there, Grant. Go to the other side of that.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
Hold on, Grant's pulling a throttle linkage.
What do you want me to do?
The other end of it. All right. Yeah,
What's it hanging up on?
go up.
What? Can you see down there? Tell me what it's hanging up on?
Exhaust is clear.
Yeah, move it around a
That's
little bit.
not. I want to see down there.
Yeah, there's.
Just resting on her tail.
Yeah, you need to go up more, I think,
Yeah.
because it's still dragging on the exhaust.
Oh, God.
Okay, the exhaust is disconnected, but it isn't out of the way. That thing should drop.
Go up, Chuck.
Up, Chuck?
Up, Chuck.
Yeah, that
There you
looks
go.
better.
There you go.
You're fine.
Keep going.
The car is lifting too.
It's okay.
well, that's not it.
We need to rock this. Bring this down. Bring the ass down, Mr. Sherman.
Watch that. The hell are you listening?
Sounds like 1991 in here.
Actually, 1983.
Close enough. Same thing.
Sounds.
Before I was, if it's before I was 12, it's all the same thing. 83, I was -1.
That was a beautiful year.
I was conceived in 83. Probably
I don't
around
want to hear
June.
about your personal life.
I don't want to hear about my parents clapping cheeks either, but
Ew.
here we is.
Like you should always see the video.
Oh, I'm sure they made video.
It's all off.
Yahtzee! All right, Chuck, keep jacking off. On camera.
Bobby put all of his effort on it.
My shoulder's
Sorry, I
on
heard a funny
fire.
noise. I don't like funny noises.
It sounds like it hit the firewall here.
We need to go back.
Maybe that.
Pull back, gang.
Can't go back. Gotta go forward.
Well, you know what I mean. Back towards you.
Right on this fitting. I don't know what we can do.
You push on this bar. See? Okay.
You need a hand pusher?
I want to know what it's hanging up on.
Seems like it's back here, like on the top. Like this thing, the bracket here is pushed up against that firewall.
There we go.
No, it's hanging up on something much more robust than that.
You are on the bottom, sir. You are clear.
Yeah, but I'm hanging up on something.
I wonder if it's.
There's a battery cable here that's pretty fucking tensioned, boys.
What's up with that battery cable?
On the starter.
A cable?
No, that's good.
That's not connected.
This one's not, right?
Just lift this sumbitch, boys.
It's still hung up on something though.
Is there anything that maybe attached to the transmission there might be?
We got all the trans shit out.
It's still hooked up to something.
This isn't hooked up.
Look out, boys. I don't know. No? Look, Chuck, it's coming up on its own.
It's still connected back there. It's not coming out.
Oh, hold on, I'm trying to see.
What about this rubber thing here?
No.
That's not attaching.
All right, Sherman, let's try to pull it out again.
The engine.
Bobby, watch that little fitting on the side of the
We're wiggling.
Hey, here we go.
Oh, that looks loose.
There we go. Got it! No. What the fuck are we stuck on now?
Wire up here.
No?
Sherman?
I'd say that's it.
Are we pulling out?
Yeah,
Is this the big bang?
I think we got it.
Are you jacking off to the conclusion?
I'm getting high. Why is that going up with it?
It's just stuck.
It's fine. Chuck, pull forward a little. Just a skoshie.
We're still connected.
No way.
Wait.
There went something.
Still connected.
No.
Don't know what to. Wait a minute. Wait, I can see
Sherman sees it. Doctor.
right there. That line.
That line?
Yeah, that's connected to something.
That was the first one I saw.
There's a. Oh, that's the vacuum line from the hydro vac.
Where's it at? I see it.
See it? And there also appears to be a second linkage piece that's still connected,
Son of a bitch.
but I don't know if that's it or not.
Whoa. There's some wiring here, boys. On the coil.
No, that's disconnected. That's disconnected. What is
That's up there. Hold on.